In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expandable sections in Confluence. If your pages are getting long and hard to scan, expandable sections are a simple way to hide details behind a clean, clickable heading. They're perfect for FAQs, step-by-step procedures, or background context that doesn't need to be visible all the time. Start by heading to your Confluence site. From the top navigation, you can create something new with the Create button, which opens a fresh page in the editor. If you want to add expandable sections to an existing page instead, go to your space, open the content view to browse pages, then choose the page you want and click Edit. Either route gets you into the Confluence editor. Inside the editor, look for the plus icon that lets you insert elements into the page. Click it, then use the search field to look for Expand. Select the Expand option to add a collapsible block to your page. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also type a /, start typing Expand, and then pick Expand from the quick insert menu. Both methods do the same thing, so use whichever feels faster. You'll see a placeholder with a title field and a body area. Paste the text, images, or lists you want to hide into the body of the expand block. Then give the expand a clear, concise title. This title becomes the clickable label readers will use to open and close the section, so make it descriptive, like what you'll need or advanced configuration. If you need another section with a similar structure, you can copy the expand block to duplicate it and adjust the contents, which saves time and keeps formatting consistent. If you add an expand you don't need, simply remove it to keep the page tidy. Aim for balance. Expands should reduce noise, not bury critical information that users need immediately. When you're happy with the layout, click Update to save your changes. View the page and toggle each expand to confirm the title's read well and the content inside is complete. A quick scan from the top should give readers a clear roadmap, while the details stay neatly tucked away until they're needed. That's all it takes to organize content with expandable sections in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.